Welcome to Eagle 24 HA, channel that analyzes traffic safety through real-life collision situations. We delve into each video, from subjectivity, lack of skills, to unexpected factors. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to receive the latest analysis. The primary cause of this near miss is the improper and hazardous parking of the SUV, encroaching significantly into the travel lane. Loss of stability during the dumping operation led to the truck rollover. Contributing factors likely include unstable ground conditions, night driving demands increase following distances and speeds adjusted to headlight range. Driving too fast for conditions is a common factor in loss of control accidents. Maintain focus and adapt driving behavior to match road condition. Loss of vehicle control occurred on an unpaved surface, leading to a run off-road incident. Driving too fast for conditions is a common factor in loss of control accidents. Excessive speed for icy conditions caused the SUV driver to lose traction and control, resulting in a multi-vehicle collision and impact with a light pole. The car driver attempted an extremely aggressive and unsafe lane change into an inadequate gap between two trucks, leading to being struck and subsequently run over. The car behind lost control and crashed into the back of a car parked on the side of the road, causing it to flip over and hit a woman walking next to it. The overtaking vehicle committed a severe violation by crossing into the opposing lane on a blind curve, demonstrating disregard for road markings and safe passing procedures. An unsafe lane change by the gray car, cutting sharply in front of the dashcam truck with insufficient space, caused the near collision. Debris falling from an oversized load vehicle created a roadway hazard. This indicates a failure in load or vehicle component securement by the transport vehicle. Loss of control related to speeding and slippery road surface caused the truck to overturn. Loss of control consistent with hydroplaning occurred on the wet roadway, leading to a run-off-road incident. The likely cause was excessive speed for the wet conditions. An oncoming vehicle crossed the center line directly into the path of the dashcam truck, forcing an emergency evasive maneuver off the road. The car in front crossed the road illegally and collided with the truck, nearly causing a serious accident. A high-impact rear-end collision between two tractor-trailers resulted in a major explosion and fire. Maintaining adequate following distance is critical for heavy vehicles due to longer stopping distances. The blue car's erratic driving and subsequent collision with the adjacent vehicle indicate a loss of control. Loss of traction on a heavily ice-covered road, likely due to speed unsafe for the conditions, caused the car to spin into the path of the oncoming truck. The driver's engagement in eating while driving represents significant cognitive. This divided attention directly contributed to the failure to perceive and react to an impending hazard. A large animal unexpectedly entering the roadway created a sudden hazard. While unavoidable by the animal, this highlights the risk associated with wildlife encounter. Multiple vehicles lost control nearly simultaneously due to hydroplaning and conditions of heavy rain and poor visibility. The SUV driver lost control, crossed lanes, struck the median, and overturned into a construction zone, narrowly missing workers. The truck driver was grossly distracted by watching videos on a handheld smartphone while driving, leading directly to a collision. Catastrophic engine failure occurred during operation. While not a driver error collision, such events create immediate hazard. An oncoming vehicle failed to maintain its lane, crossing the center line and forcing the vulnerable road user off the road. A sideswipe or rear-end collision occurred between two large trucks in congested traffic, possibly on a curve or ramp. Severe weather necessitates significant speed reduction. Ensure tires are adequate and braking distances are increased dramatically on wet, flooded roads. Excessive speed entering a curve caused the tanker truck driver to lose control, leading to a rollover, collision with another vehicle, and a massive fire involving hazardous materials. A driver failed to slow down and/or move over for a roadside police stop, resulting in a high-speed impact with the stopped civilian vehicle. Reckless driving, attempting drifts in a snow-covered parking lot, led to loss of control and collision with parked vehicles. Maintain a safe following distance behind all vehicles, allowing extra space for motorcycles due to their potential instability and shorter stopping distances. Driver inattention, following too closely, or excessive speed for traffic density are the most probable causes for this failure to react in time.